Yeah, hi there, this is Bill, and I'm just continuing on the BilroCAD Autocad tutorials. We'd gotten as far as drawing the stairs, and we were just going to put a hole in the foot plate, move it downwards by 30, direct distance entry. Now have a look from the front. You can see that it's a bit too high, so we move the whole thing down by 10 millimeters. There's the 30 millimeter line, which we don't need anymore. It's just a reference line. And that's a cylinder, that's a box. So if we subtract from the box the cylinder, it's now one whole thing. Okay, so now we've got all our little bits of chibies up there, and now we need something out of our library. Now here's a good tip, that if you look on here, you've got your favorites. See, I'm always looking in the CAD library, so there, I just press it. So I want a 3D fixing. I can go down to combos, and I've got an M16 flat washer, spring washer nut. Drag that into the drawing and just pop that on there. Hit enter, enter, enter 3 times just to do the scaling and the rotation. And we'll need a bolt head for that. So we got bolts. M16 by 40 bolts, sounds about right. M16 by 50. We'll see what that looks like. Yes, some person in some distant age has drawn this with all the threads on it, but I'm not a fan of that. My one that I normally do, I don't show all those threads, but just for laughs we'll go with that. Rotate that round such that, no. See, it doesn't want to rotate round because you can't see which way it's going. There it is. So move this guy, and it's snapping to the centre of there, and we'll pop him on the end of there. Should be in the right place. There he is, there like that, and move this one here up such that that's the dot Y. Now you could argue that, wouldn't it be a clever plan to change that round totally the other way, because when people are coming up, they don't want to bark their shoes on that little bit that's sticking out. So maybe I should mirror that round. MI for mirror that lot, and right click mid between there and there. And yes, we do want to erase those objects. I mucked that up because it's not chosen it correctly, is it? So move slightly around that one there. That, the dot Y of that one there. So that's perfect now. See, you've got your 1mm gap there. You've got your little chibi things ready to go. So all we need to do is mirror this whole lot round about the middle of the stairway. And job done, sort off, until we subtract from this one of those and one of those, and subtract from this one, that one and that one, and same deal here, subtracting from this one, that one and that one, subtracting from this one, that one and that one. Probably should have done that earlier on. There's always faster ways of doing things. Now we just need to copy those down. CO for copy. Now see I'm clicking on the quadrant of that, so I can just go straight down to the quadrant of that. I don't need point filters for that one. And there we are, it's all coloured in. It's not looking too bad. It's welded underneath and it looks reasonably tidy. Okay, now we need to, forgot about the little bits of stuff on the bottom of that. Now see, my UCS needs straightening up, so you go World UCS, REC, there to there, and offset 30, and move him down by 30, and then we loft that shape and that shape together, hit enter and enter again, and we copy him there over to there. So looking from the front, we can see it's looking nicely on there. Okay, now extra line that was not deleted. Now we'll put in a handrail. I could draw a handrail from scratch, but I'm feeling rather lazy, so I'm going to go to a handrail that's already done. It's a piece of handrails. Oh, that's models. No, I don't want that one. Okay, I've hidden it somewhere so well that even I can't find it, which is great. So we'll just draw it. We'll draw it quickly. This is under standard drawings, under common parts, stair parts, common parts, assemblies, minor assembly. There's no handrails. Handrails are there. There it is. That's the one. Okay, so there's my handrail. Enter, enter, enter. We look from the side. There it is, way down there. It's just a piece of 50 by 50 by 6 angle and a 40mm cylinder, and it's been shaped and mucked around with up there. But you could draw an angle, and drawing all those things are not terribly hard to do. Maybe I should have done it. So that's going to sit on top of the kick plate, like that. And there he is. He's looking good. So, yeah. So if I moved him such that the center of that was at the dot X of there, and we move him back by 250. The reason for that is when you draw a handrail, the handrail curves around here and it connects up there, and you want a 200 radius on that pipeline, or that handrail that's coming through there. So now to draw the handrail, we'll just check what the distance is from the center of there to there, 55.9. Oh joy. Okay, we'll run with that one. So we go polyline, race around the handrail, around where you want the handrail to be. And get as far as that one, and we just stretch him out, pull him out, hot by hot pointing. He's going to be coming down to join whatever you're going to have on the stair. And the other polyline will be going around from here to here to here, and he's going to stop there somewhere. And those two lines, where did they go? There they are, they're on the floor. That's fine, that's okay. We can PE, polyline edit, that one, and J for join those two together. So we've got a handrail looking good on the floor. Not where it should be, of course. But we'll fix that at some stage. So PE, nothing in there about radius. Okay, so fillet, radius, and we'll make that 200. And you've got a polyline option on here. See the polyline option? And if we just click that, it's radiused all the bits on the polyline for us already. That's very convenient. And we move this guy up. Where is it going to go? Up there somewhere. And I suppose this is looking too good, is it? It's way up in the air. How high should a handrail be? Well, it depends on your standards. And if we make it, well, what does it look like it's going to be at the moment? There to there. Vertically 964. So if we made it 965, so if we offset by 965, we're in about okay. Move that one there to the dot Y of that one there. Now we've now got the handrail at approximately the right height. And it's not looking too bad, except it doesn't look like it's going through there very well, does it? That's because we haven't offset it the 50, the amount that we want, which is 55.9, I think, wasn't it? Center of that one, yeah, 55.9. So we offset 55.9. Now that's doing it wrong, isn't it? That's obviously not correct. That's because we're looking here and it's producing the wrong answers. So checking back onto there, see we've only got a Y of 25. So when don't believe that number. Look at these guys here, because they'll because of the Z, it'll screw it up every time. So offset 25. Well, it seemed a bit strange. So it's perfect now. So that's our handrail line. That's the line that our pipe is going to take. And if we copy that one down by 400, say, you probably wanted to be making nice even gaps between there and there, but for what we're doing, showing is not any great big deal. So there we are. We've got our handrails roughly sputtered in, and we've got our stairs not looking too bad. We'll see on the next one.